This is the review for the new 74 series by ABSUS. This is their lockout tagout padlock that they have only released at the end of 2012, and it's been well worth the wait. It is a fully non-conductive padlock with a non-conductive hasp. The padlocks are key retaining, so you cannot take the key out until it has been locked shut again. And each padlock comes with only one key to ensure that no keys can go missing, and then the locks can be operated with that other key. So there is only one key per padlock as sold. They're available in a number of colours, as is usual for lockout tagout padlocks. Each one comes with a set of stickers saying "Danger, locked out, do not remove." On the back is details for putting the name of the owner or the machinery that it's going to be locked to. Available in both key-to-like and key-to-differ, short shackle and long shackle, and one of the only lockout tagout padlocks to be serviceable and therefore made into a master key suite. They go along with all our other lockout tagout accessories, including the lockout hasp, which you clip to the circuit breaker or machinery switch, and you can put up to 6 locks on there. So that's it, the new 74 series by ABSUS. It's been a long time coming, but we feel as though these are now the best lockout tagout padlocks in the market.